This is your brain on drugs. Any questions?
I, Ronald Reagan.
In the 80s, then American President Ronald Reagan didn't have any questions. Prohibit drugs.
Drugs are menacing our society.
The U.S. pushed for international drug laws and treaties aimed at eliminating illicit substances. In 1998, the UN motto, "A drug-free world, we can do it." 18 years later, a drug-free world doesn't seem realistic.
We can more efficiently address the world drug problem.
Many countries, including Canada, are moving away from prohibition towards regulation and control of drugs.
I think we've learned lessons that the past approach has not been effective. I think it would be fair to say that.
Health Minister Jane Philpott will outline Canada's plan at the UN. She'll discuss legalizing marijuana in our country. She'll also talk about Vancouver's 2 supervised injection sites as ways to address risks associated with drugs.
We know that they save lives, we know that they prevent infections, we know that they're a good way for people to access care.
Both of these measures go against global treaties, but other countries have also started moving in this direction, like Mexico. The president told the UN he's considering legalizing marijuana too. He says drug policy has to combat the criminals, not criminalize the consumers. But there are other countries that continue to take a hard line, including China and Russia. Some say Russia is responding to drug addiction with outdated methods, and their position is keeping UN treaties from being updated.
As we continue down this path where the global community just has sort of a head in the sand approach and doesn't recognize that an increasing number of countries are going to start experimenting with this kind of thing, the treaties just get, less and less relevant.
The health minister will give a speech at the UN tomorrow, and there will be meetings until Thursday. However, no one really seems to think that these discussions will shift drug policy right away. The target date to implement a plan is 2019. Hannah Thibedeau, CBC News, Ottawa.